Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to have two accounts in Monopoly Go. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So as you can see here in my screen, I am on Monopoly Go. And then if I want to have two accounts here, what I can do is to access first the settings. So to access the settings, just tap into the three horizontal lines that is located on the upper right part of the screen and then go into your settings. And then here, tap the connect account button. And then after that, just tap into the disconnect. So whichever account you're using. So as for me, I am using my Facebook account here on my Monopoly Go. So I'm going to tap the first disconnect button. So after disconnecting your account right here, what you can do is to go into your settings. So after going to your settings, tap or access the apps and then go to the manage app, and then in here just locate the Monopoly Go. So let's see Monopoly Go, and then tap into the storage, and what you will do is to simply clear the data. So what will happen is that you will simply just almost refresh your Monopoly Go, but don't worry because this will not delete your account. So after deleting the data of your Monopoly Go, you can actually log in into another account by doing so. So after clearing your account, just go ahead and go back to your Monopoly Go, and after that, that will require you to log in into your account again or connect to the different account in that case. So after that, you just connect another account that you have or that you want to connect in your Monopoly Go, and then you should have two accounts after doing all the steps that I've told you or taught you. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.